This is your chain nose plier. It's flat on the inside and tapered towards its tip. Use it to bend and angle in the wire. You can use your thumb as a ruler to measure out the length of the wire. This is about 1.5 inches from the tip to the first joint. Push the wire forward with either your thumb or your index finger to create a 90-degree angle in the wire. This is your round nose plier. It's tapered from the tip to the base. We're going to use it to make round loops in the wire. Use the round nose pliers to shape the wire into a loop by bringing the wire up, over, and around until the ends meet. Switch to the lower jaw of the round nose plier. To complete the loop, push the wire forward to a 45-degree angle, hold the long wire, and turn your wrists so that 45-degree angle makes 90. These are your flat nose pliers. It's got the most surface area of all the tools. It's flat on all surfaces from the tip to the base. With the tip of the flat nose pliers, you're going to hold the loop. Take your index finger, push the wire forward, away, and down. Take your thumb and pull the wire up. Push forward, away, and down. And take your thumb and pull up. Finish the movement by pushing the wire forward, creating a perpendicular angle to the loop. These are your flush cutters. With the finished loop in hand and the excess wire pointing up, take the flush side of the cutters, point down with the very tip, placing the blade inside, right up against the seam of the excess wire, index finger holding this wire, and you're going to cut.
Aloha to all our lefties. We hope you enjoy this version and we love you too.
Okay.
Bye-bye.